Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you a solution to a very common problem that you might come across whether it is you are a researcher or a student in ChatGPT. So you might see various equations here. So let's look at one equation. So I'll say give me Einstein's mass equation. Okay, so let it give me one equation. So E is equal to mc square is what I expected. So what happens is that when you copy this E is equal to mc square and try to paste in Word, it comes like this. So the square is not coming up here. So why does it happens? So this is happening because when you try to transfer it to Word is not able to understand what you have just copy pasted. So that is where you need to have something called as LaTeX. So LaTeX is a mathematical typesetting program that is standard for most professional math writing in the computer space. So now if I want to copy paste this there, so I can do that in multiple ways. So first is I'll just go here and I can come to something known as equations. You see equations here. So let me show you. Insert, then you will have equations, right? Now here if you go, there is this insert new equation. I can type in the equation here. Okay, so I just type in and I say enter, right? Now it comes as E is equal to mc square. Now let me show you one more time. So let's take this E is equal to mc square here. Then I go here and type it here. So it comes as this, right? Now, if you go here and say insert equations, this is symbols, this is equation, then you have insert new equation. Now, I can type in the equation here. So this is that. See, I can type in information. I'll say this, right? Now here if I go here, now it's saying Unicode. Now let me change this to LaTeX. Nothing happens. You will not be able to copy it here because it is having a different code. So now what I will say is convert, give me the equation as LaTeX. As LaTeX so that I can copy to Word. That is not required. You can just say give me the equation as LaTeX. So you see here it has provided in the LaTeX format. Now the same thing you come and try to type in here and hit enter. You see the difference? It is converted into E is equal to mc square. So here you come to equation and change that to LaTeX. So now you have an equation E is equal to mc square. Earlier it was very difficult to do that. Now when you change that to LaTeX, it becomes very easy. So I'll say give me Bernoulli's equation. Okay, so it is going to write the Bernoulli's equation. So this is something like this. Now if you try to copy this, right, as usual, it is very difficult. Now I'll say give the equation in LaTeX. Give the equation in LaTeX. So it has given me the equation in LaTeX. Now if I copy and come here and say insert equation, right, then I'll say I'll just go and type in that, right, then I hit enter. Now you see this is how you can easily convert the equation that you see in ChatGPT into Word. Otherwise it will be very difficult. I have seen people, including me, taking screenshots of this and putting it in Word as images. So that is not how you do it. You can easily do it using this. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.